Hello everyone, I am Rohit. I, on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. And here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters. Today the chapter that I'll be covering is from Class 4 NCERT Board, subject is Environmental Studies, and the name of the lesson is known as Year to Year. The innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is known as Word C. The main innovation behind using this idea is to enhance the vocabulary and the grammar skills of the students through peer learning. And also in turn, using this innovation makes the students engage in the continuous process of learning. The duration for this activity will be 40 minutes. And some of the pre-arrangements that we will be needing for doing this activity are: we will be needing miscellaneous items of cardboard, wrapping, wrapping paper, colored wrapping paper, and colored paper slips as per the strength of the class. Along with this, we will be needing scissors and glue. First of all, we enter the class and we put the card box and the paper slips in the table, and we tell the students that today we are going to play a game. Can you people guess the name of the game? By looking at the cardboard and the box and the slips, they might respond that the game could be of about box and slip and so on. We take their responses and then we inform the students that today we are going to play a game which is known as Word C. We ask the students to take the cardboard cardboard box at the wrapper and the paper slips. We ask the students to wrap the box with the wrapping paper, and then we instruct the students. We tell the students that each student will be given the colored paper slips and they will have to write any word or sentence or anything related to the chapter year to year, or anything related to animal years and human years, or anything related to a chapter. We give them sufficient time for doing this, and once they all the students write on the paper slips, we again instruct them to fold it up and write their name over the slip and put it in the box. Once we get all the paper slips, then during either recess or before assembly, we look out for all the slips, we look at all the slips, and then we call out one student, say suppose, and one student, and ask him or her to speak a few sentences on the word or sentence that he or she has selected. Say suppose someone has selected cat, then the student will come to the dais and he or she will talk about cat, whatever he or she knows on. Then we can again initiate a discussion on the topic written in the slip. Say suppose we can ask that where do we find cats, how are the ears of cat, is it visible or is it like a hole? We continue asking them questions in the following process, and we continue the process unless and until each and every one of the student has been covered or they've got a chance to do it. And we need to make sure that when the students are speaking out sentences, we ask the students, we urge them to say the sentences, make the sentences in small. It can be small, but it should be a complete sentence. And when we start teaching the students in this way, it helps in developing the linguistic skills of the students along with learning about the revising about the concepts related to the chapter. And also, when the students will be thinking about words or any sentences related to the year chapter, it will help in developing their critical thinking and the decision making process. And also, when the students will be coming to in front of the whole class to speak on the topic, it will help in developing the communication skills and interpersonal skills. Along with this, they will also learn how to respond to simple instructions that have been made in English. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. I hope you like this video, and I'm definitely sure that you will be benefited from this innovation. And for if you like this video and you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share, and subscribe to our official channel, ZIIEI. Thank you.